So this room is called our Kettle lab. And for a reason of that is because of this giant kettle that we have here when we're going to make stocks or large volumes of soups. So this kettle holds 151 liters worth of liquid or volume in it, and also has a spigot down below, so when we drain our product, it would come down out through this spigot here into a pail down below, and we can drain it out that way, so we're not having to tilt it or scoop it out. But it does have the ability to also tilt forward, so we can also pour ingredients out through the spout here as well. This lab is predominantly used for our Culinary Arts Diploma program. So again, that more advanced learning of what did you learn in your first year, and now taking all that information, now applying it to creating dishes, making menus, putting it to service, and actually plating it, selling it, making a 3-course meal, and maybe having a dining room open, and those kind of things. Again, same kind of equipment you would find in the first year. We use it steadily throughout, so our gas stoves again. And a kind of unique piece of equipment that we have here as well is a salad spinner. And again, not your typical home-sized salad spinner. We take it to the next level again, and so this is our industrial one. So doing large volumes, if we're going to wash lots of lettuce and that, we can put it in here and deal with the large volumes that we deal with in the food industry. And so this is our second year Culinary Arts lab.